To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below. Welcome back, detectives. You have been working so hard. Pat yourself on the back. Say, great job at working hard. Now, to earn a mystery glass on your mystery glass page, it's time to show your parents what you know. But before we do that, I want to review the letters that we have been learning so that you don't forget them. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to point either above my head or to the side of me or to this side of me, and a letter is going to pop up. When that letter pops up, you have to tell me its name and its sound. Are you ready? Okay. Did you say M? Okay, let's try another one. Did you say A? Let's do another one. Did you say P? Let's do another one. Did you say T? What about this one? Did you say S? Whoa, you have been working so hard and you know your letter sounds. Before we move on, we're going to write the letters in the air. Ready, set, go. We're going to practice writing the letter M, and the letter M is going to start at the skyline, which is the very top. And I'm going to start over here on this side. Are you guys ready? Start at the top. We're going to draw a line down to the grass line, pick up my wand, start at the skyline, go down to the mountain line, up to the skyline, and back down to the grass line. Lowercase m is not going to start all the way at the top. He's going to start at the mountain line. All right, that's that dotted line on your paper. We are going to start at the mountain line. We're going to go down to the grass line, up to the mountain line, down to the grass line, up to the mountain line, and down to the grass line. Is everybody ready? Get your magical wands ready. Yay! Okay, let's do uppercase A. All right, we're going to start at the top, at the skyline. Down from the skyline, touch the grass line, pick up my magical wand, start at the skyline. Down to the grass line, pick up my pencil, and go across on the mountain line. Let's do lowercase a. Now, lowercase a is not going to start at the skyline. He is going to start at the mountain line. That is your dotted line. So get your magical wand ready. Starting at the mountain line, you're going to go around and down to the grass line, back up to the mountain, and down to the grass line. We're going to practice uppercase T, so get your magical wands ready. They're ready. All right, we're going to start at the skyline, which is at the top. And we're going to go across the skyline, go to the middle of my line, and go down to the grass line. Let's practice lowercase t. Lowercase t is going to start at the top. So we are going to start at the skyline. You ready? Go down to the grass line, pick up your pencil, and go across on the mountain line. We are going to write uppercase S. I'm going to start at the skyline. I'm going to go around past the mountain line, down to the grass line, and back up just a little bit from the grass line. Lowercase s is little, so we are going to start at the mountain line. That's your dotted line. Start at the mountain line, around to the grass line. Uppercase P looks like this. We are going to start at the top, at the skyline. We're going to go down from the skyline, touch the grass line, pick up my pencil, go back to the top, and go around and down to the mountain line. Lowercase p. Now, lowercase p, he is a hungry bear. That means he's gonna go down all the way to the worm. So he's gonna start at the mountain line. That's your dotted line. Start at the mountain line, go down to the worm, eat it, nom, 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 nom. Back up to the mountain line and around to the grass line. We are going to practice reading some words. All right, I'm going to show you the very first word. Can you think of the sounds that these letters make? Let's segment our sounds and blend them back together. A, am. Way to go. Can you do this other word? Think of your letter sounds. Let's tap them. A, t. Read it. At. At. Let's try one more word. Can you think of your letter sounds? Let's tap them. A, p. Put it back together. App. Wow, you are getting really good at breaking sounds apart and blending them back together to make a word. Not only are you helping me find letters, but you're teaching me how to read. Thank you so much. All right, now I think that you are ready to show your parents what you know. So I want you to get this page and I want you to say, Mom, Dad, Grandma, Grandpa, Aunt, Uncle, whoever it is, and say, I need to practice my letters with you so that I can earn my mystery glass. Ready, set, go. Were you able to recognize and write the letter names and sounds of M, A, T, S, and P? Way to go. That means you get to color in a mastery glass. To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below.